the spring season, we're gonna make a sheet pan spring chicken and veggies. So in my bowl I have my cut up carrots, broccoli, and onions, and I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And I'm gonna add in a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon pepper. And I'm gonna use my best mixing tools, my clean hands, to toss all the veggies, evenly coating them with the olive oil and the seasonings. Next, I'm gonna spread these veggies out in a single layer all across my sheet pan. Now to that same bowl that I mixed the veggies in, I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, another 2 tablespoons, a tablespoon of lemon juice, freshly squeezed, 1/2 teaspoon salt, a 1/4 teaspoon pepper, and a 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder. Then I'm going to whisk that together. And I'm going to put in my chicken pieces. And again, using those clean hands, just toss them around to coat them on all sides with the olive oil mixture. Okay, then I'm going to arrange my chicken pieces amidst the veggies on the sheet pan. Once these are all nestled in, we're going to bake it at 450 degrees.